Hi, I'm Sophia, you're watching Paraligo, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can work one more dance stitch. The single crochet camel stitch worked in rounds. To create this stitch you need any number of chains. For the purpose of this video I will chain 14 chain stitches. Start with a slip knot, work as loose as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 chain stitches. So now insert your hook into the last chain and slip stitch to join. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook and chain 1. Now insert into the next chain and place a single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops. It's important to work kind of loose. Repeat into the next chain and continue placing one single crochet into each chain until the end of your round. And this was our last one. So we will now work we will continue in a spiral without joining. And what you're going to do next is insert your hook into this little bump here. This is actually the bump of your slip knot. And you will yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on your hook, as in a single crochet. And this was your first camel stitch. Next you will go into this horizontal bar right here. I hope it's visible. That is formed behind your single crochet. You will insert your hook inside this bar and you will place a single crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. And this is what we call a single crochet camel stitch. You will repeat into the next horizontal bar. Just a single crochet. The only difference is that it's not placed inside these two loops on top of the stitch of the previous round where we usually work. Instead, you will work inside this horizontal bar, the third bar of the single crochet, and you will yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over again and pull through both loops as in any normal single crochet. And this is how we work a single crochet camel stitch. You will continue like this, repeating the same steps until the end of your round. This was the last stitch of the round, and this is a single crochet camel stitch worked in the round in a spiral. Now to continue, insert your hook into the bump into this horizontal bar of the first stitch of the previous round and place a single crochet camel stitch and continue to the next horizontal bar and so on and so on. So this is the single crochet camel stitch worked in rounds in a spiral.